Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The retreats, they were born from my heart, based on my true experience, the life that I lived, and the fears that I faced, and all the personal healings that I had to do. The workshops are based in experiences, are based in how can you face yourself and your fears and your traumas, but in a soft way. The deepest one for me is just getting back into the nature, to get to know who you really are. And we do that in the sense of getting this togetherness, by sharing, by crying and laughing together in a fun and safe space. The retreat is like a family. The time we're gonna be together, we're gonna be like a family.
I love your retreats. They are amazing. They are so pure, creative, sensitive. I am so happy to be part of that.
Audio Jungle.
It was beautiful. I really liked that we had opportunity to connect with nature, because for me it's something that I do, but not in the way that we did at the retreat. Like that was like really raw, like potent. I also liked that we had the Balinese culture during this whole experience, because it's such a beautiful culture and so special, and you can feel it, like it's everywhere, ever present, so potent. I really love it.
Audio Jungle.
When we had the purification at the waterfall, I was not scared about what was the surrounding around me. All the time I'm scared about water, about insects, about everything. And I was not scared because I was part of that. It was so powerful. And when we were together in the water, I reborn there. This is what I felt. That was the most incredible experience of my life.